The Jamaica Gun Court Act came into effect in April 1974. It was passed along with the Suppression of Crime Act in Parliament and signed into law by Governor General Florizel Glasspool. The act mandated that all firearm cases should be brought to the gun court, and if any previous firearm offenses were brought before any court, they should be immediately transferred to the gun court. By 1974, reported shootings with intent to kill and murders increased significantly. Most of the murders during that time occurred in the corporate area. Extreme increases in violent crimes brought great public demands for government action. The government under Prime Minister Michael Manley's leadership tried to disarm those with illegal guns through the searching of houses in volatile communities during curfews. Harsh action was taken for those caught with illegal guns in those communities and elsewhere. Residents arrested were taken to the Gun Court prison located on the same compound as the Gun Court on South Camp Road. Under the Gun Court Act, there were initially no provisions for bail for those arrested. If convicted, the accused would be sentenced to indefinite detention. The imprisoned could only be released by a review board's recommendation to the Governor General. Eventually, that legislation was found to be unconstitutional. The Jamaican Parliament amended the act by replacing the indefinite sentence with a mandatory life sentence for all those convicted. Despite the controversies, many were in favor of the act since they felt that it was effective in reducing gun crimes at that time. But interested influential groups began attacking the fairness of the act, and its constitutionality was challenged. In December 1974, the act was declared unconstitutional by an appeal court. The act was referred to the Privy Council of England. In 1975, the council declared the act was constitutional, but the mandatory sentence of indefinite detention was unlawful. The 1983 amendment to the Gun Court Act gave more leniency to those convicted of gun crimes. Resident magistrates now have the authority to grant pre-trial bail to those arrested for possession of illegal firearms. Also, judges have the power to deliver prison sentences rather than only life imprisonment. In addition, hearings for underage defendants caught with a gun were sent to juvenile courts instead of the gun court.